Once upon a time, in a colorful forest, lived a little fox named Felix. Felix was known for his curiosity and love for adventure. One sunny morning, Felix woke up with a twinkle in his eye. He had heard rumors about a magical waterfall deep in the heart of the forest that granted one special wish to anyone who found it. Determined to discover this magical place, Felix packed his tiny backpack with snacks and set off on his adventure. As he trotted along the winding path, he met his friends, Benny the bunny and Mia the squirrel. They were excited to join Felix on his quest. The trio ventured deeper into the forest, where the trees grew taller and the air became cooler. They sang songs and told stories to keep their spirits high. Suddenly, they heard a rustling sound in the bushes. Out popped a wise old owl named Oliver. "Where are you youngsters headed?" asked Oliver. "We're looking for the magical waterfall," exclaimed Felix. Oliver's eyes twinkled. "Ah, the waterfall is real, but the journey is not easy. You must solve 3 riddles to find it." Felix, Benny, and Mia eagerly agreed. Oliver presented the first riddle. "I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind." Felix thought for a moment and said, "An echo." "Correct," said Oliver. "The second riddle is, I am not alive, but I can grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air." Mia quickly answered, "A fire." "Well done," said Oliver. "Now, the final riddle. I am invisible, but you can see me. I am weightless, but you can feel me. What am I?" Benny pondered and replied, "A shadow?" Oliver smiled. "You've all done well. Follow the stream, and you will find your waterfall." The friends followed the stream until they reached the breathtaking waterfall. Felix closed his eyes and made a wish. The waterfall shimmered, granting Felix's wish. From that day on, Felix, Benny, and Mia knew that with teamwork and a little bit of wit, they could achieve anything. They returned home, their hearts full of joy, ready for the next adventure.